Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Kuwait. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.agl.edu.kw. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, AGL Bilingual School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option employment. If you click this link employment, you can get one option vacancies. If you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies in AGL Bilingual School academic year 21-22. So vacancies available here. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV along with your copies of your degrees, transcript, teaching certificate and reference letter via email to careers@aglholding.com. So here they are given. So applicant who would like to join us in creating an outstanding teaching environment, so please review the below vacancies. So these are the vacancies. So they are mentioned what are the position and level, criteria and experience. So here kindergarten, elementary, middle and high school vacancies are available. Mostly bachelor degree in the particular subject, minimum 3 years experience. So here they are given homeroom teacher, assistant, Islamic, Arabic, computer, business and economics teacher, English, social studies, art, school counselor, science teacher, mathematics teacher, PE teacher. So all the details are given here itself. So if you are interested, you can send the CV along with your certificates. So employee packages. If you click this link employment, you can get what are the employee packages for AGL Bilingual School. So here they are given salary ranges. Scale is as per AGL Bilingual School norm, which depends on your experience and expertise as well as qualification credential. Indemnity they are given. Other additional benefit, housing allowance, transportation, annual return airfare, excess package allowance, health insurance, medical insurance, life insurance, summer pay, then assistant. So these are the benefit. Once you have get the job, you can get these all the benefits. Otherwise, if you want life in Kuwait, you can select this link, life in Kuwait. So they are given here, location and climate, everything. So whatever you want, you can check it in the menu. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL uas.edu.kw. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Universal American School. In this main page, menu available, one of the option carries. I will give it to the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. So if you click this link carriers, here current vacancies. So academic year 21-22 vacancies. Applicant who would like to join in creating outstanding teaching and learning environment in the Universal American School, please review the below vacancies and send us your resume along with your copies of your degree, transcript and teaching certificate, reference letter via email to recruit@uas.edu.kw. So here admin and teaching job vacancies available. Middle, high school and elementary kindergarten teacher job vacancies are available. So admin vacancy is curriculum coordinator, high school position, counselor, psychology and information technology teachers, middle school, science and language art, elementary school, grade 1 to 4 teachers, kindergarten, KG teaching assistant. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these vacancies, you can send your CV along with your degrees transcript and license via email to recruit@uas.edu.kw. In left corner, available in the staff housing. If you click this link staff housing, you can check Universal American School staff housing. So one by one you can click and check all the details in the menu. So here join us. If you click this link, you can get, so what they offer, a package including salary, furnished accommodation, medical and life insurance, shipping allowance, visa procurement, reduced tuition for dependent children, and annual return airfare, exciting opportunities in the Middle East. So if you are interested, kindly please email your resume recruit@uas.edu.kw. So life in Kuwait. So here they are given life in Kuwait. You can check all the details in the menu. If you have any doubt, you can check it from here. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement. The third one is Dana Universal School of Kuwait. If you are entering this URL duskKW.net, you can get this main page. In this main page, one of the option recruitment. If you click this link recruitment, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. Science teacher, major chemistry, Arabic teacher, Islamic teacher, curriculum coordinator, science teacher, music teacher, homeroom teacher, record part-time driver, admin assistant, kindergarten homeroom teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV, the given mail ID here, info@aldananpsk.net. Otherwise, you can click this link, apply now. So they are expecting minimum bachelor degree with minimum 3 years teaching experience. So if you click this link, apply now, you can get one job application form. First name, last name, and your email ID. Then finally you can upload your CV. Then you can submit your job application. Once you have submitted the job application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply. If you want more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.